Chapter 5, Laws of Motion. Yes, in last lecture we have discussed about motion of vehicle on bent curve road, and in previous lecture we have discussed about motion of vehicle on level circular road. Now today we will see some questions based on it. See, example 5.10. A cyclist speeding at 18 km per hour on a level road takes a sharp circular turn of radius 3 meter without reducing speed. Coefficient of friction between tires and road is 0.1. Will the cyclist sleep while taking turn? See what is given. A cyclist speeding at 18 km per hour. So, speed of vehicle V is equal to 18 km per hour is equal to 18,000 divided by 3600. 0, 0, 18, 2, 2, 5. So yes, it is obviously 5 meter per second. Means speed of vehicle, speed of cycle is 5 meter per second. Now, you are given one road having radius 3 meter, coefficient of friction 0.1. Then we will find what is maximum safe speed on this road. Maximum safe speed on circular road. Okay, see what is equation of maximum safe speed? V maximum. It is maximum safe speed on level circular road. Yes, it is level circular road. Okay, so V maximum is equal to, we know its equation, it is under root mu s rg. So yes, it is equal to under root mu s. What is value of mu s? Here it is. Coefficient of friction between tires and road is 0.1. So yes, here it is 0.1. Radius, it is given 3 meter. And G, I am taking 10. So yes, 10 and 0.1 cancel out. So yes, it is only root 3. Okay. And yes, V maximum is equal to, it is 1.73 meter per second. Now, how to write conclusion? See, what is maximum safe speed on road? It is 1.73 meter per second. 1.73 meter per second. And vehicle is moving with speed 5 meter per second. As here V is greater than V maximum. V is greater than maximum. Yes, cyclist will sleep while taking turn. Cyclist will sleep while taking turn. Okay, and to avoid sleeping, yes, and to avoid sleeping, if you are asked, if to avoid sleeping, what cyclist have to do? He has to decrease its speed. He has to decrease its speed. Okay, so yes, whenever you are moving on circular path, you have to decrease your speed. Or another option, you have to bend vehicle with respect to vertical. If you have observed race car, bike car, okay, in MotoGP or etc. Okay, then see whenever they are turning, they literally bend with vertical. Okay, with vertical to avoid sleeping with that constant speed while taking turn. Clear about this? So yes, it is one simple question based on motion of vehicle on level circular road. Okay, now next question is, see example 5.11. A circular racetrack of radius 300 meter. Yes, R is equal to, it is 300 meter, is bent at angle of 15. So theta is equal to, here it is 15 degree. Okay. If mu s means coefficient of friction between vehicle and road is 0.2, mu s is 0.2. Question A, what is optimum speed? What is optimum speed? Question B, what is maximum safe speed? V maximum is equal to what? Yes, you know what is equation of optimum speed. You know what is equation of maximum safe speed. So first of all, here we will find what is value of tan theta. Tan theta means it is tan 15, and what is value of tan 15? It is 0.26. It is 0.2679. It is 0.2679. Okay, yes, we have discussed how to find angle in Zoom meeting. Okay, now it is 10:15. First question is you have to find optimum. You have to find optimum speed. What is equation of optimum speed? VO is equal to under RG tan theta. So is equal to, it is under R. What is value of R? Yes, it is 300. G, I am taking 10 and tan theta. So yes, here it is 0.2679. It is 0.2679. So is equal to, it is under root, is equal to, it is under root 803.7. And yes, if you simplify this, if you are taking its square root, it will be 28.34 meter per second. So yes, optimum speed is 28.34 meter per second. Again, you have to remember equation. Optimum speed VO is equal to RG tan theta. R 300, G tan theta is equal to 0.2679. If you calculate this, you will get this, and if the square root is 28.34 meter per second. Second question is you have to find maximum safe speed. So yes, how to find maximum safe speed? See, what is equation of maximum safe speed? V maximum is equal to under root RG mu s plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. Clear about this? So yes, now we will put value is equal to under root R 300 G tan in bracket mu s. Here it is 0.2. Tan theta means tan 15. And yes, what is value of tan 15? It is 0.2679. Clear about this? Okay. Divided by, here it is 1 minus, here it is 1 minus. How to write 1 minus mu s? Mu s means 0.2 and here it is 0.267. Clear about this? Okay. So is equal to, here it is 3000 in bracket 0.2 plus 0.2679. So yes, it is 0.467. Clear about this? Divided by 1 minus 0.2 into 0.2679. Yes, it is 0.0529. Okay? And yes, if you again simplify this, you will get 3000 in bracket 0.4679 divided by 1 minus 0.05298, you will get 0.94702. Okay, and if you calculate this whole term, you will get your answer, that is 10480.32. And if you take its square root, you will get your answer 38.47 meter per second. It means on this band circular road, what is maximum safe speed? It is 38.47 meter per second. It means if your speed limit is within this 38.47 meter per second, vehicle will not stay. But if speed is greater than this V maximum, vehicle will sleep. Vehicle will sleep. So clear about this? What is purpose to find maximum safe speed? Maximum safe speed on any circular path, you will be able to see some signboards. So yes, that signboards are decided from this calculation. From this calculation. Okay. Next question, exercise 5.37. See, a disc revolves with a speed of 1/3 revolution per minute and has a radius of 15 centimeter. Two coins are placed at 4 centimeter and 14 centimeter away from center of disc. If mu s is equal to 0.15, which of the coins will revolve with the disc? See what is given. You are given one disc. You are given one disc. Okay. Yes, it is disc. And that disc is revolving. That disc is revolving. Okay. Yes. Radius of this is 15 centimeter. Radius of this is 15 centimeter. This radius, it is 15 centimeter. Two coins are placed at 4 centimeter and 40 centimeter. At 4 centimeter and at 14 centimeter. Here it is 4 centimeter. Here it is 14 centimeter. Okay. Yes. Coefficient of friction 0.15. Your question is, which of the coins will revolve with disc? This coin or this coin? You are given a disc revolves with a speed of 33 1/3 revolution per minute. What is meaning of this? See, 33 to 1/3. So yes, 33 into 3 is 99 plus 1. So it is 100/3 revolution per minute. So I can say revolution. To perform revolution 100/3, time considered is 60 seconds. Yes or no? 1 minute means 60 seconds. To perform 100/3 revolution, it takes time 60 seconds. So to perform one revolution, what is time? So to perform one revolution, what is time? So yes, and we know that time to complete one revolution is called time period. That is capital T. Okay, time period capital T is equal to, so yes, here it is 60 divided by this 100/3. Okay, so yes, it is 60 into 3 divided by 100. Okay, so yes, here it is 180 divided by 100. So T is equal to, it is 1.8 second. T is equal to, here it is 1.8 second. Means this disc is revolving such that it takes 1.8 second to complete one revolution. So during this motion, which coin will revolve with this and which coin will be thrown away? See, here it is. We will see numbers of forces acting on this coin. See, if it is coin. Okay, numbers of forces acting on it. First of all, mg in vertical in upward direction, normal reaction and in upward direction, and another force is friction force. Okay, and see, as this disc is performing circular motion, these two coins are also performing circular motion. And what is condition for safe speed on circular path? What is condition? See, for safe motion on level circular path, condition is required centripetal force is less than or equal to maximum static friction. Clear about this? What is required centripetal force? mv square upon r. Is less than or equal to, see, this r is not radius, this distance from center. mv square upon r is less than or equal to maximum static friction. Yes, it is Fs maximum. Yes or no? Yes, but we know that, we know that Fs maximum is equal to mu s into n, and here, yes, n is equal to mg. Yes, n is equal to mg. So how to write? Here it is mu s mg. Because see, here it is. Coin is rotating on disc. It is not performing any motion in vertical plane. So we can say in vertical plane it is in equilibrium. Okay, in vertical plane, no acceleration of coin. So therefore, n is equal to mg. Force acting in upward direction is equal to force acting in downward direction. is equal to force acting in downward direction. So see here, requires centripetal force mv square upon r is less than or equal to Fs maximum. Fs maximum is equal to mu s into n, and n is equal to, here it is mg. So I will put value. See here, mv square upon r is less than or equal to Fs maximum means here it is mu s mg, m cut, n cut. So v square is less than or equal to, here it is mu s rg. Now V means speed. V means speed, and we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. V for one rotation. Okay, speed V is equal to, during one rotation, what is distance traveled? Yes, it is 2 pi r. During one rotation, what is time? Yes, it is time with your capital T. Clear about this? So yes, you have to remember this equation. For one rotation, V is equal to 2 pi r upon t. For one rotation, V is equal to, it is 2 pi r upon t. So if I put here value of V, it is 4 pi square r square divided by t square less than or equal to mu s rg. R cut. Now this, make this r as subject. So r is less than or equal to, here it is mu s g. Here it is mu s g. R is less than or equal to, see here it is. Okay, if you make r as subject, okay, if you make r as subject, r is equal to mu s g t square upon 4 pi square. Okay, so yes, r is nearly equal to mu s. What is value of mu s? It is 0.15. What is value of g? It is 10. T means it is 1.8 whole square. Okay, divided by 4. So yes, it is 4 pi 3.14 whole square. And if you calculate this, you will get your answer. R less than or equal to 0.1232. And yes, as we have converted each and every data in SI unit, its unit is meter. How to convert in centimeter? R is less than or equal to 12.32 centimeters. So now what is meaning of this? See here, what is title? For safe motion on level circular path, condition is require centripetal force is less than or equal to maximum static friction. So for this given data, what is distance from center? What is distance from center up to which object can move safely on a level circular path? So it means, see here it is, if it is this, it is center. From center to distance r is equal to 12.32 centimeter. Up to this distance, up to 12.32 meter, 32 centimeter distance, if you place any object, that object will move safely. If object is at distance greater than 12.32, it will be thrown away. So here R is maximum distance from center, up to which object can perform safe motion. Clear about this? It is maximum distance from center up to which object can perform safe motion. Here we are given 2 points. One point at first point at r is equal to 4 centimeter is less than this 12.32 centimeter. So yes, it will rotate. It will revolve with this. Second point, R is, it is placed at 4 centimeter. Sorry, it is placed at 14 centimeter. Is greater than 12.32 centimeter. So it will be thrown away. So do you understand? Why to take this condition? This condition is for safe motion on level circular path. With the help of this condition, we have obtained one equation of distance from center, that is r is less than or equal to 12.32 centimeter. It means up to this distance, if we put any object, any point, it will perform rotational motion, it will perform rotational motion. But if we place object or coin at greater distance, it will be thrown away. It will be thrown away. Clear about this? Okay, how do you find? Yes, you have to remember this condition. Clear about this? Yes, write down in your notebooks, watch regular videos, make notes, and yes, send your doubts, okay, to each and every teacher. And yes, do like, share and comment our videos.